And if you get them all together just right, make something beautiful. You can make something beautiful of your life. You know? Something beautiful out of something ugly. Something beautiful out of something filthy and dead. Something you can eat. Something you can make into more yourself. You know?
Is this one called, it's not called I Love My Pets, is it?
Yeah.